that fuzzer looks fantastic, but like a motorcycle, it may look good, but does it ride? Hey?
Well, should we see?
Go on.
Come on then.
Go on. Do it gently. You're just going to plug it in, it goes.
All right, here we go. There we go.
John,
you are a you are a prize bellend.
was it too fat?
Yes.
Fat as well.
A little bit too thick, a little bit too wide. Well, like me. I didn't say that.
No, but I can tell in your eyes. I can tell in your eyes. Oh, hang on.
Check your flies done up. I'm happy if you
Oh, they're not. While you're there, sir.
Come on, look. It's Land of the Giants. Huge old roller there. And then a huge Jag 420G, is it? Or maybe a Mark 10?
I don't know. It's one of the two. But before you go any further, hang on a second. I thought he was up for.
Oh!
God, just fucking.
It went
Oh no! I've just gone down the pit.
There's absolutely no wibbly wobbliness at all, and it is really firm and stiff.
Listen, this sounds just like you.
Yeah,
It sounds like you wheezing in the morning.
it does actually, doesn't it? Hey. Right. Well, I'm getting old, kid. Can I do it now?
You
Seeing as
can.
you've
I've just
offended
given
me.
it a liberal coating.
Well, look, I just want a quick squirt, and then I'll be off. Ready?
Go on then, quick squirt it is.
But look at the jugs.
Yeah,
Look at the jugs on that. Hey?
on that shelf, yeah.
It's just beautiful. There's nothing nicer than big jugs. Honestly, because
It's just never good.
I love a jug.
So